I believe the leadership has to encompass two very important attributes, one of which is transformation, adaptability to be able to take a team through all kinds of different changes. I also believe that another attribute that's important is situational leadership, understanding how to navigate through challenges like we're experiencing right now with social and economic uncertainty, and being able to lead teams through that. Change is very scary for people, and we're going through change right now. And so I believe that we need leadership that can embrace that and take that team, our team, through those different challenges to get to the other side.